Hello everyone, I'm Manav Agarwal and today I'm at the Infocom India event which is being held at Geo World Convention Center in BKC. So according to the Google, Infocom event is a premier trade show for the professional audiovisual and information communication technology industry. I have no knowledge about it. Let's go inside and talk to the stall owners about what Infocom is and also what they do. Infocom इवेंट 9 से लेके 11 सितंबर से होने वाला है। आपको पहले से ही रजिस्ट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा और फिर फिजिकल पासेस लेने के लिए थर्ड फ्लोर में जाना पड़ेगा जियो कन्वेंशन। Now we have to scan this and go inside. Hello sir, can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Vaibhav Purania. I'm Sales Director of Hubris Technologies, and our brand is Dascom.
Wonderful sir. Can you please tell us what Dascom is about?
We are a VoIP product manufacturer. We have a wide range of IP products, and we have a state-of-the-art IP-based public address system. Yeah.
Wonderful sir. Whom all do you expect to come to this event and especially your stall?
We expect system integrators among many distributors who deal into VoIP products, and few government organizations also we are expecting that we have already supplied to. Yeah,
Thank you sir. It was pleasure meeting you.
thank you.
Hello everyone. Now we are at Navori Labs and I'm here with the business development manager of Navori. Hello sir. So can you please give your introduction and tell us a little bit about your background?
So, hello, my name is Sharad Navgire and I am from Navori Labs. I am working as a business development manager here for Pan India Business. And we have our India office based out of Delhi NCR. And we are a team of 15 members responsible for the global support and the development. And we also sell our software multiple verticals, be it retail, be it corporate, be it transportation, or wherever you see the display and there is a requirement of managing the content, so that we provide. So we have a software for that called Navori QL. That's our software. So we have it in both the options. Like we provide the cloud subscription as well as we have the perpetual license for the on-prem requirements.
And where is Navori Labs situated?
Yeah, Navori Labs, the headquarters are at Lausanne, Switzerland, and we have offices in 7 countries, including India. So we have our customers like in more than 152 countries. Yeah, and we have sold now till now more than 1.4 million licenses.
Sir, if I want to talk about myself and my audience, we both are laymen.
Okay.
We don't understand this technical term. If you want to tell us in simple language what is Navori Labs in 1 or 2 sentences so that my audience can understand what is Navori and they can come to you tomorrow at Infocom and talk to you about it.
So Navori Labs is a Swiss company dealing into the content management software. Like for display, control the display remotely, manage the content on the displays. We have the software. We give the platform.
Wonderful, wonderful. And whom all do you expect to come to this event and especially to you?
I mean, this event is of AV system integration. So we have all the partners from the AV. So people from all the verticals can come to our booth, because nowadays they are changing the trend. Like wherever you see the static display, they are changing it into the digital display. Like even the small office where traditionally they were using the whiteboard, so now they are using the interactive whiteboard. So people, they can, when the display is idle, so they can have our software there, so that it can show some content, engaging content.
Correct. Yeah. Thank you so much. It was wonderful talking.
Same here.
Everyone, today we are at Warren and I'm here with International PD of Warren. hello, ma'am. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Valentina Wagner. I am here in for the Director of the International Business Development. And thank you very much. Thank you.
Ma'am, can you please introduce what is Wallet?
The Wallet is the brand of our company, and the Wallet develops the software. You have here the software. One is for digital signage, other one is for control room. So you see here, beyond the boundary for our digital signage solution and next generation control room for the next solution. Two different industries, two different markets, two different solutions. But both of them we can see here, and this is the software platforms which will be introduced for the first time in India. Some of the features also for the first time. So for the digital signage, of course, it is like create and organize the content everywhere in the multiple space and multiple big enterprises. For the control room solution, we have a wall next that is also imagine it's my video wall. It's my 2x2 video wall. So we are managing the content, visualizing the sources and putting them into the control room, and also for the operators we have a lot of different things.
So it was very confusing for me and my audience. Can you please explain it in a layman? In very easy terms, what is Wallet about?
Wallet introduces the software platforms. The digital signage is McDonald's. You see in McDonald's screens. On these screens you see the menu. And then this menu you can create with this software. Just say layout, and then on the screens they will turn, in a loop, and different templates will come and different content will come. This is the digital signage. It's the retail. It is everywhere you go and see the billboard. This is the digital signage you can create for distribution. Airport, the Mumbai airport, and you see the departure and the arrival. This is again the screens, and then some security or maybe many cameras they have. So they have camera in our stores, and there is an operator. This is our security for Mumbai, and she says okay, I want to see all my cameras, and then where she sees she has some monitors or some big video wall where she sees these old security cameras and check if everything is okay. This is a very simple.
The last question will be, whom all do you expect to come to this event, and especially to Wallet?
Okay, I expect, of course, that we have more system integrators and, of course, end users. We are doing. We can introduce our solution. Of course, I know that so many people today, and I see it's very, very busy morning. Even though I don't know, it's only 1 hour past. Also, the hardware companies who are always represented here, so we have collaboration here. Everyone basically.
Thank you so much. It was
Thank
wonderful.
you.
Thank you. And I'm here with the India director. And can you please introduce us?
So, Jati here, I am the India Business for Lighting Technology. Yes, what is it?
Can you
Tell us.
can you please tell us about
With starting from wire segment, that can
Trusted by professionals across the industry, banking, remote workforces, businesses, and education. We designed for industries that
This is
demand
the
clarity,
950
comfort, and performance.
It comes with so all our
We're teaching in class, leading in fall,
and
gaming in virtual reality, all involving in 30,000
their AI
Innovation should never be a barrier.
In addition to
Growing global
there is something
presence,
called
live gaming is reshaping everyday interaction.
called
One connection at a time.
Then there is noise
Rise on
isolation.
innovation.
In India, typically everything is used together.
Inspired by
So
you.
if you use this, the first where is one.
this one?
This comes with noise cancellation and isolation. So just press it. Yeah. You are less of them.
Correct.
So
And
when
how
you-
do we connect this?
So it comes with the Bluetooth technology. Just show me, I'll show you something hidden out there. So this you would not have realized that it also comes to the mic. And you put it back, see if you see the angle at which it comes in. goes into back like this. Once you move it up, it automatically mutes. So it also works on Bluetooth technology and ढूंढोगे भी तो भी नहीं मिलेगा. This comes with a wireless dongle, a C-type, which will go into this one and just slips it.
Amazing.
So the most important part is these days you have a lot of them working from home, working from an environment. There are a lot of people sitting around. There is open workspace thing. So you just, it's not always, people have always looked at when I'm talking to somebody, the front person needs to hear it less in terms of surroundings. We've come up with a product which also enhances when I'm talking to somebody. See, if I'm talking to you, equally important, you should not hear my noise. But I should also concentrate and not hear my surroundings. So that's what when you experience when you wear it, it isolates the surrounding and it comes with a dual HDMI. So once you press the button, your surrounding also is completely new. So you focus better, you talk better, and the whole work from home, work from combined offices, work from shared offices, all of this is smart solution. Yeah.
And our last question would be, who all do you expect to visit your booth?
I think everybody. So we start right from enterprise headsets when it comes to wired wireless solutions. We're looking at customers, any customers who are working from home, who are open to experimenting more with headsets and they're working at it. And we're also looking at gamers. So we have a gaming headset. It's super light mode. You wear it and tell me, do you feel anything that you want? So this is, they're looking at gamers wherein they're
I have never played one. I don't know what's the difference.
so see, when it comes up to gaming headsets, they sit for long hours and they are
It's very light. Actually,
it's very light. It's very comfortable. And the latency between the gaming, that the time gap between which it appears on the screen and your ear has to be very less. That's called latency. So it comes with the least of that number. So there's going to be very little time. And this comes in a triple mode, Bluetooth, wireless and wired. It also coms with a 3.5 mm jack. So you plug and play, you want a C-type, USB-A, all in one.
It was very nice meeting you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
So we are at Kennex Pro and Supertron. So can you please introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, my name is Harsh Tiwari and I'm from Kennex Pro. So let me brief about the Kennex Pro. So Kennex Pro is an industry leader for connectivity solutions. We are based out of US, Las Vegas. So now this is the soft launch in India with Supertron. So Supertron is going to be our exclusive distributor for India and Singapore. So over to Soresh, Supertron.
मैं बेसिकली बोलना चाहता हूँ वी आर फ्रॉम सुपरट्रॉन बैट टीम एंड वी आर इंट्रोड्यूस आवर A1 medical graded camera and other equipment like LAS and interactive panel. This is a solitaire brand and which is Supertron make. So this is our portfolio for this event. Thank
Can
you.
you please give me an overview of what Supertron is?
Yeah.
Kennex Pro, this is our first one quad view multi-viewer seamless switcher. Okay, so here you can put 4 inputs and 1 output. So you can see this is the remote control. I'm just pressing the head hitting this button. You can see this is switching. Okay, so you can have multiple views. A single view. Next is picture, your picture view. Okay, you can see. So this is perfect for your meeting room. Okay. People want, they have 2 laptops, 2 inputs, they want to compare some data, some files, have that. Another is like if you want to have a bigger picture on or something uploaded on a notebook, you can have that. So we have multiple presets, 4K content, okay, 1080p, any content it will. So it's integrated with the I1 camera, so you can see the input is coming, you can see the clarity of the okay. So you can use this in meeting room, hospitals, okay, and any order where the requirement for that.
This is basically a medical grade camera. You can install in an OT room. Every camera you can install in a OT room because there is some features over there. There is a norms in the OT room entry. So this have that quality for OT room. If the IEC certified medical graded camera. You can sanitize the body also.
Okay.
So it's not 100% guarantee, it is a little bit 99% 100% guarantee. So you can install it over there. You can install it in a ICU room because there is some patient, critical patient. It can monitoring every time and it takes the AI features of the facial expression of that patient. If there is any problem issue has come, that it automatically detects and send to the nurse room. Okay, this is the features of this medical camera.
Sir, last question for you all.
Yeah.
If someone wants to come to this event and come to you, how would you help them acquire this technology into their company?
Well, Supertron Brand is a distributor company, but Supertron Brand company is a value-added distributor. We have added some value in distribution, not only sell the box selling, not only sell the box. We have added the solution designing, everything. We do the solution designing, BOQ designing, whatever the camera you require for your solution, we suggest there and accordingly we suggest you the entire solution.
Suppose somebody is coming in this new market, okay, so they have just started their AV company, so Supertron will help them, okay, to grow. Okay, that's why it's value added distributor, not just a distributor.
We have other solution that we have an AV solution, we have a surveillance solution, we have a Motorola surveillance solution, Pelco camera, Amazon camera, Halo sensor. There is a sensor like Halo sensor. You can install a CCTV for anywhere, but whatever the privacy area, where girls changing room, bathroom, for that reason, we are introducing a Halo sensor, Motorola Halo sensor for privacy area. There is a 6 type of sensor in that device that it can detect air index. If there is any chemical reaction, if there is O2 fault, O2 level lux कितना है, लाइट का जो ये लाइट का पावर कितना है, यहाँ पर केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहा है या नाइट्रोजन लेवल कितना है, कोई एनी टाइप ऑफ एयर हैजर्ड ब्लॉकर इट ऑटोमेटिकली डिटेक्ट एंड सेंड टू द सिक्योरिटी पर्सन. In that case, better option, safety. In case you have any problem in that room, you can just say help 100 or help, then it can detect and send to the security person and he can come to your room. Okay. In case of anybody using smoking, cigarette smoking, marijuana, vape, in that case it can detect and send to the concerned person. This room is not safe for the person.
Wonderful. Thank you
It
so
can
much.
detect also a gunshot, aggressive noise. This sensor also detects a gunshot, aggressive noise, everything. Most of the sensor have. If somebody, how many people in that room, also it can detect.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
इस डे 1 कम्स टू एन एंड. आज मैंने 3rd फ्लोर एक्सप्लोर किया है पूरा. कल मैं 1st फ्लोर एक्सप्लोर करूँगा. 1st फ्लोर लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल एंड बिग. So please stay tuned. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.